Hello friends, I want to use this opportunity to quickly test out a new microphone I got for my phone to have a better sound when I make videos, and then to show what I'm busy with here. This is an Esoteric Audio Research 518 power amplifier, designed and built by Tim De Parvicini in England in the early 80s, I believe. Not quite sure about the date. Very little info available on this amplifier, but the follow-up model on this amplifier was the 509, the 100 watt per channel monoblock. So this is basically two 509s in one chassis. I can just drop down the video there. There's the spot for the one channel's power valves, and on that side the other power valves. So I've done a replacement of all the electrolytic capacitors using new Nippon Chemicon caps. They're much smaller than the original ones in physical size, but makes for a very good fit. And then these heater buffer resistors I lifted off the board to prevent any further scorching of the PC board. And there in this area there was a lot of small electrolytic capacitors that I moved to the other side of the board to shield them from the heat of the valves, and also did a decent cleaning of the PC board just to get rid of a lot of muck that was on there. So on this side I've placed the electrolytic capacitors out of the heat way or heat paths, convection paths. And yeah, now it's time for me to get the board back into the chassis. Lots of wires to connect to the driver board, and yeah, just for you to have a look around. This is a mains transformer, output transformer, mains transformer. This is the output valve interface board for the one channel, and this one for the other channel, of course, and then holes for the small signal valves, signal input, speaker terminals. These wires go to the top caps of the PL 509 or 519 tubes, and yeah, it's a beautiful sounding amplifier. It had a lot of capacitors that were completely dried out and cracked, yet it still performed absolutely fantastic.